Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Coming into the precautionary part, which is very important for hair fall issues. The first one is diet. What should you be taking in diet? See, remember, in diet you need all of these to be included. First one is carrot for your vitamin A, eggs for proper or holistic protein, and then you have oats, and then you have beans. Oats for fiber, and then you can replace oats with any other vegetable as well, and then beans for plant-based protein, and then green vegetables. Why do you need green vegetables? Remember, green vegetables have high amount of selenium, they have zinc, they have vitamin A also, and also these micro elements which are present in this green vegetables are very important to build your scalp health, to improve it, and also to form the hair properly and to increase the blood quality. You need berries to increase the blood quality, to have high amount of antioxidants. The berries have high amount of antioxidants in them, which will prevent the hair fall. Okay, that is the main thing in diet. Next thing is usage of hair products. If you're using a lot of hair products like hair mousse, you're using dry shampoos, you're using shampoos and then conditioners and then hairsprays, all of this, see, remember, all of these are chemicals, so they will tend to make your hair dry, brittle, breakage, and from there hair fall. And also remember, if you're having or dyeing your hair frequently, coloring your hair frequently, that can also affect the health of the hair as well as of the scalp. Hair care practices. If you're not oiling your hair properly, or if you're not taking any sort of care for your hair, that is either through diet or through external, you need light massages for your hair from the tips of your hand. You need that warmth. Okay, and also you need to do oiling your hair at least once a week, and then washing your hair properly using natural products. All of this will help in building your hair health. Next, stress management is very important. For example, if you're feeling very stressful and no matter what you do, you're not letting go of the stress, try taking a counseling session, because after taking a counseling session you might feel better. Try traveling to a different place, or a different town, or at least to your to different villages, so that if you start traveling, that aura of what you're experiencing, that stress will decrease and you'll start experiencing better health. And try to do medication as well as yoga for it. Medical conditions. If you're experiencing any sort of hormonal problems, remember, working out is very important, as working out will release hormones which are good for your health. Those are happy hormones, and those happy hormones will help in fighting this stress, and also will give you better hair. Lifestyle changes, like including a lot of vegetables, a lot of protein. If you are suffering from iron deficiency, folate or vitamin B12 or D deficiency, maintaining that levels in your blood is also very important. Having a good lifestyle is very important for your hair health. What happens if you neglect the hair fall? Remember, hair is falling off not because of any other hair issues. If it is just because of hair products, or if it is of improper hair habits like pulling, tucking your hair, tying it in a high pony, or always putting it in bun, that can trigger hair fall. But remember, if you're having hair fall evenly, and if there is receding hairline and there is widening, these are the symptoms of something which is internal, that is systemic causes like hormonal. Many people experience hair fall with bad hairstyles, and when they stop it, the hair fall also stops. If it is not stopping even after these good hair practices, that means there is some sort of systemic disturbance inside your body. If that systemic disturbance is not corrected, there will be progression of hair loss, and there is no treatment for this medical condition. That can also lead into bad prognosis. It can have limited treatment option after it has gone to a certain level, and also it can psychologically impact, especially women. It can psychologically impact if you are having very bad scalp hair, or if you are experiencing hair loss. Try taking good lifestyle changes and also use medication as soon as possible. If you are experiencing hair fall, women especially on the scalp region, and you are having some hormonal issues or any other issues, then if you want to contact us, you can do it through two processes. One is the online consultation. You can contact us through audio and video consultation, and if you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. After the doctor consultation, if you are having any sort of investigations, you can share it with us. If you need any more investigations, we will ask you to do it and share it with us. After all of this process, especially the online clients, we will be sending your medications to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. And across the globe, anywhere, it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you are experiencing hair fall and you would like to take a doctor consultation, you can call us through this number, ping us or WhatsApp us or messages on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check out our website www.fidicus.com. If you're experiencing hair fall and if you want to choose a certain cure for your hair fall, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Remember, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have three principles. First is we are dealing with patients with good success rate who are experiencing hair fall because of hormonal issues or because of allopathic medication side effects. Second thing, the transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be explaining it to you, the process, the prognosis and everything. And also the personal care. If you're having any sort of myths or if you're having any sort of, queries regarding your hair fall, we will be educating you on that as well. So the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. If you want to choose cure for your hair fall or if you want to decrease your hair fall, try choosing Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.